Hey guys, it's Tory. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a wreath for Valentine's Day. And this is styrofoam, obviously. And then we're going to add some floral foam roses. So you guys ready to get started? And both of these are from Amazon, so let's get started. Okay, so we're going to use the glue gun. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the glue gun on so it can start heating up. These are so cute, you guys. They had they're so soft too. They had so many different colors to choose from, but I decided to go with the red. So we're just gonna pour some out onto the table. All right, so before we get started, let's go ahead and get the ribbon because we wanna have a ribbon to hang. So let's find a nice ribbon, and this one is perfect. Okay, so we have this, and I'm gonna take a ribbon. And then we're going to go ahead and place this right here. So let's go ahead and add some glue. You want to center it. And then we're going to go ahead and do the exact same thing on this side. We're going to go ahead and put a little bit of glue right here.